Stress can either protect your capital or destroy it. So tell me, have you ever felt your body tense up right before placing a trade? That, my friend, is stress talking. But do you know what stress is? Well, stress is your body's natural alarm system. It's how your brain reacts to volatility, unexpected market moves, or to the fear of missing out on a good trade. It triggers adrenaline, pushing you to act fast. I have felt that same rush myself. Even as a full-time trader, I have had moments where stress made me click the wrong button. It sounds helpful at first, and it truly is in small amounts. But here is a twist: too much stress can hurt your trading. Too much stress drains your energy, clouds your thinking, and leads to emotional trading, often resulting in financial losses. So, how do we manage stress in trading? Let us begin with one simple step. Breathe deeply in and out. Deep breathing slows your heart rate and signals your brain that you are in control. After you calm your mind, stick to my trading plan, and break your process into smaller, manageable trades. If this helped you manage trading pressure, please like this video. And remember, not every market dip is a reason to panic. Focus on what you can control, use risk management tools, and have a solid long-term strategy in place. What did you learn from this? Share your answer below, and I will reply to you personally. Subscribe right now and hit the notification bell, because I post 2 new tutorials like this every week. And follow me on X for daily free crypto news updates. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned, because in my next tutorial, I will share more ways to master crypto trading like a pro.